Crossroad number 33. To throw stones or to offer compassion. We are on the 5th Sunday of Lent. Malapit na po ang Semana Santa. And in this 5th Sunday of Lent, we are given the Gospel from John, the story of the woman caught in adultery. And we read from the Gospel of John. Jesus bent down and began to write on the ground with his finger. But when they continued asking him, he straightened up and said to them, "Let the one among you who is without sin be the first to throw a stone at her." Again he bent down and wrote on the ground. And in response, they went away one by one, beginning with the elders. Crossroad number 33. Should we pick up the stones to throw and condemn, or should we write on the ground to express our compassion and forgiveness? Kukuha ng batong ipupukol o susulat sa lupa ng pagkapatawad at habag? We are given this crossroad and we are given this choice. How do we deal with people who have wronged us? And this is, in a way, the main message of the Lenten season. And in fact, a major and crucial decision that we have to make in our daily life. Anong gagawin natin doon sa mga taong pinararatangan natin na mas makasalanan kaysa sa atin? In the first place, who are we to judge? As Pope Francis once said, "Who am I to judge?" Many times we are quick to judge people as if the measure that we use against them is not the measure applicable to us. Minsan unfair din tayo sa ibang tao. Pagka tinitingnan natin sila, masarap gamitin ang panlalait o paghuhusga. At yung panukat na yon na ginagamit natin sa iba, hindi naman natin ginagamit sa ating mga sarili. In psychology, they call it self-serving bias. Pagkatungkol sa sarili, exempted. Pagtungkol sa sarili, hindi applicable. Pero pagtungkol sa iba, ay nako, dapat lang, deserve niya yan. Magandang tanungin ang ating mga sarili ngayong ika-5 linggo sa panahon ng Kwaresma. Malapit na hong magtapos ang ating paglalakbay sa 40 araw. Magandang tingnan din ang ating mga puso. Is our heart a judgmental heart? Or is our heart humble enough to say, "I am great a sinner as the others are. I have no right to condemn or to judge people around me. I can only write down in humility my own sinfulness and write down my sentence to people, not of condemnation, but of understanding, acceptance, and love." We're not saying that we should not become prophetic in our life. Hindi naman po sinasabi na okay lang na maging tagapagtaguyod tayo ng mali. In one of the crossroads, we have mentioned that we should also not punish the just one, that we should also be supportive of righteousness. So we are not condoning mistakes or sins. But the Lord in our gospel today is inviting us and is proposing to us, will you be a judgmental person or will you be a humble person to give a chance to others, to open the door of forgiveness to others, to excuse ourselves from always being judgmental of people around us? Kung ang Diyos nga hindi naghusga, bakit tayo napakahilig manghusga ng kapwa? So we make a choice, a very concrete choice in our dealings with people around us. Should we be judgmental or should we be more careful and prudent in our relationship, in our words, in our actions. Sabi nga sa isang television show, bawal ang judgmental.